Hey everyone, welcome to another video, and hope you're all doing okay. Unfortunately for one of us, it's a sad demise. I'm sorry to say and tell you the news that Batman is dead. However, to take on a good note of that, I took his skull and shoved a shaving brush over the back of his skull, so make him somewhat useful in his death. So here you go, dead Batman, 20 millimeter brush in there, which I'll show later. And yes, this did produce this lather, good enough for 2 passes, another pass worth of soap in there. So this is a dead Batman shave, or Batman is dead shave. Nice little brush. I've got Joker as well, comes like a set. And I've got a Frankenstein one and a few other sort of skulls and usual, but this one being Batman. Cool, I think, really cool. I say 20 mil, and I'll show you again later on. So, what soap would Batman use? Well, I thought about this one. I thought, well, it's got to be black. It's got to be, I would say, cold, like the Batcave. So, fine snakebite it is. Black, and it's cold. There's menthol, heavy menthol in this. So, that is Batman's choice. Now, Batman's choice of razor. Well, it has to be black. It has to be, he's a very aggressive and efficient superhero, or was until his death. So somewhat that get the job done quickly, efficiently, violently. So it's a 1 pass shave today with my Muhle Rocca. Yeah, all black. Yeah, absolutely beautiful thing. Lovely weight to it as well. So that's the reason for the razor. Some of us don't grow up, you know. So let's get on with the first pass and final pass, as it's the only pass that I need for today. Alright, Batman's dead shave. I talk bollocks sometimes. Right, yeah, very efficient razor, this one. Hope you're all doing okay. Just a bit of fun, this one. I had these brushes a while, actually. If you want to know where to get them from, just ask me and I'll put them. I'll reply to you. But you can get all sorts. I've got a voodoo head one. I say these two, Batman and Joker. Also got a Frankenstein one, all from a UK seller. But yeah, very efficient razor. Bit medium in its feel, but aggressive in its efficiency. Only a light touch with it because it is quite a heavy razor, being all stainless steel and then coated. And somebody asked me about the coating on these, and do they scratch or whatever. I've had it this over a year and it's still in perfect condition. So as for the coating, at least for mine, it's almost indestructible. It really is. I mean, you could scratch it, of course, but yeah, for the amount I've used it, which is quite a lot, it is very efficient. You really do only need a single or double pass. I mean, I could go a double pass, but I really don't need to. with this razor. She's very, very efficient. If I shave in the correct way, like what I'm doing there, I can get a really good close shave one pass. When you've got a very, very light in your touch bin heavy razor, if you go for a shave like I would with a lighter razor, this can irritate and cut. It's already heavy. You've really got to just literally like, put it on your skin and drag it. It is that good. I hope you're having some fun shaves, and I would seriously advise people to do. Seriously advise people to just have some fun like this. Get yourself some fun items like this brush. It's just fun, you know, it's just a bit of fun. You can see it as childish or immature or just stupid as much as you want. Well, those things are funny. They are a good laugh. So that is freezing my face off right now. That's a good soap, that is, if you like menthol. So quick rinse. Blimey, that's like any other razor that I've got after 2 passes. That really is. So I'm going to take what I got out of the brush. I bet it holds a fair bit for a 20mm. It's only a small brush. You know, first pass, 1 pass, and still had all that. That is pretty good in my book. So face wash, make my face quick and cool up, and be back for my post shave. God, that is, wow, 1 pass. Unbelievable. So, aftershave splash for Batman. Well, it has to be black. Yet he is Bruce Wayne as well. So, Bruce Wayne being a bit of a, you know, very rich, bit of a ladies' man sort of character, and then there's Batman, so he's 2 people. Armani code aftershave splash. Could only be. It's black, it's sleeky, and it's quite alluring to the ladies. Ladies seem to like this one. Ain't got much of it left. Probably about down here somewhere. Very nice. And yes, here's your proper aftershave splash. So that's aftershave lotion, so it isn't just alcohol and fragrance. Actually got some decent properties in it. Oh, it does smell like you would think Batman maybe would smell, or at least Bruce Wayne would smell. Oh, it's like a slightly powdery, fresh vanilla tonka bean. Oh yeah, beautiful. Very, very expensive smelling. Maybe a hint of like a cherry, which will come from the tonka bean, good quality tonka bean. Oh, that is an amazing shave. That, oh, if you have not tried it, it's good stuff. Oh, it just smells amazing. So, quick recap on Batman is Dead shave. Muhle Rocca, jet black. That was, so it feels medium aggression, but it's very efficient, as if it was a very aggressive razor. So lovely. Soap, and lathered up today with fine snakebite. Nice, cold, refreshing. Star of the show, Batman Is Dead brush. See, 20mm, nice and soft actually, and as you saw, performs well. It certainly lathers up this fine soap really well, and well, there you go, Batman Is Dead brush right there. So washed off with the rest of the soap, face wash, washed it all off, and then applied some Armani covered aftershave lotion. That's it guys, that was my Batman Is Dead shave. Just a bit of fun. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, really help me out, and I'll see you again soon on the next one.